This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about party picks, specifically these winter holiday party picks. We have a bunch of cute designs. They're made from bamboo, which is a lovely sustainable material, so that's always a plus. And they're 3.5 inches long, and I'm going to show each of them to you. So we've got Rudolph there with his adorable little red nose, our lovely little snowflake, perfect little whimsical touch, our super cute little snowman, perfect for any winter day, and our Christmas tree, which is a nice little lovely pop of green if you're looking for a little bit of color. So these little picks are the perfect size to put out alongside appetizers if you want to give people something to go ahead and grab them with, right? You can put them in a cute little cup. They make great little portion sizes for making up little mini skewers. If you're looking to do little fruit or veg picks or just some nice little savory appetizers or maybe a sweet little finish, you can use them for setting up things like cocktail garnishes to add that little extra bit of festive touch, or even things like sampling. If you are looking for something for your bakery or your retail store to sample some goods to help increase holiday sales, this is a nice little festive way to do it versus your normal plain little boring toothpick, right? So they also make a great addition to things like charcuterie boards or anything like that that's going to be self-service to just encourage people to grab them with the picks, right? So they're going to be great for home entertaining, but also for caterers, restaurants, or even if you're doing something like a holiday party at work and you're looking for something fun and festive to help spice up your holiday festiveness, help spice up and liven the atmosphere, and have something cute for service for your apps, your various little dishes, or even your drinks.